Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of pumpkins. Not only are they the quintessential symbol of fall, but they also have a fascinating history and a plethora of health benefits. So, let's get carving and cooking. Please watch my video to the end for delicious recipe and funny dialogue. Please subscribe. Thank you. In fields of gold, amidst the fall, a pumpkin thrives, so grand and tall. Its vibrant hue, a sight to behold, a story of warmth, in tales untold. Did you know that pumpkins have been cultivated for over 7,500 years? That's right. They were first grown in Central America by indigenous peoples like the Aztecs and Mayans. Pumpkins weren't just a food source, they were revered for their medicinal properties too. Native Americans used pumpkin seeds to treat ailments like intestinal parasites, while the flesh was consumed for its rich nutrient content. From tiny seed to mighty gourd, it grows with vigor, its strength assured. They were one of the first crops cultivated for human consumption in the ancient Americas. Pumpkin seeds, leaves and flesh were staple foods for early Native Americans. When Europeans explorers like Christopher Columbus arrived, they brought pumpkins back with them to the Old World, where the vegetable gradually spread across Europe and beyond. Pumpkins are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, antioxidants and fiber. 1 cup of cooked pumpkin contains just 49 calories, but over 20 times of your recommended daily intake of vitamin A in the form of beta-carotene. Vitamin A promotes healthy vision and skin while boosting the immune system. Health benefits. Nutrient-rich. Pumpkins are low in calories but packed with essential nutrients like vitamins A, C, and E, as well as minerals like potassium and magnesium. High in antioxidants. Pumpkins contain antioxidants like beta-carotene, which can help neutralize free radicals in the body, potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and certain cancers. Promotes eye health. As mentioned, pumpkins are rich in vitamin A and beta-carotene, which are essential for maintaining healthy eyesight and may help prevent age-related macular degeneration. Supports heart health. The potassium content in pumpkins helps regulate blood pressure, reducing the risk of stroke and heart disease. Additionally, the fiber and antioxidants in pumpkins may help lower cholesterol levels. Aids digestion. Pumpkins are a good source of fiber, which aids in digestion and promotes regular bowel movements. Consuming pumpkin may help prevent constipation and maintain a healthy digestive system. Boosts immunity. The combination of vitamins and antioxidants in pumpkins can help strengthen the immune system, making the body more resilient to infections and illnesses. May promote weight loss. Pumpkins are low in calories and high in fiber, making them a filling food choice that can help promote satiety and prevent overeating. Can contribute to healthy, glowing skin by promoting collagen production and protecting against damage from UV rays and environmental pollutants. From its anti-aging antioxidants to its fiber for weight management and blood sugar control, the pumpkin proves that good things really do come in orange packages. Some of the main varieties of pumpkin include Jack-o'-lantern, pie miniature, white, blue, Cinderella, fairytale and Lumina pumpkins. In pies and soups, its flavor reigns, a culinary delight, where pleasure remains. Spices dance in a symphony sweet, a taste of autumn, in every treat. Versatile preparation of pumpkin. The flesh, seeds, leaves and flowers of pumpkin plants are all edible and can be prepared in many ways. Dried pumpkin seeds make a crunchy, nutritious snack. The leaves and flowers are edible when cooked. Pumpkin puree is used in pies, breads, soups, sauces, dips and smoothies. Pumpkin can be roasted, steamed, sautéed or mashed. Healthy pumpkin cookies. Recipe. Ingredients: 1 cup canned pumpkin puree, 1/2 cup natural almond butter, 1/4 cup pure maple syrup, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1½ cups rolled oats, 1/4 cup almond flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon ground nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon ground ginger, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup dark chocolate chips or chopped nuts, optional. Instructions. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper or lightly powder it. In a large mixing bowl, combine the pumpkin puree, almond butter, maple syrup, and vanilla extract. Mix until well combined. In another bowl, mix together the rolled oats, almond flour, baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, and salt. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, mixing until a dough form. If desired, fold in the dark chocolate chips or nuts. Form round dough pieces onto the prepared baking sheet, leaving some space between each cookie. Bake in the preheated oven for 12–15 minutes, or until the cookies are lightly golden brown around the edges. Remove from the oven and let the cookies cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. Once cooled, store the cookies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 5 days, or freeze for longer storage. Enjoy your delicious and healthy pumpkin cookies. But pumpkins aren't just nutritious, they're also steeped into American cultural significance. From ancient rituals to modern-day celebrations like Halloween and Thanksgiving, pumpkins have long been revered as symbols of abundance and prosperity. With knife in hand, we carve and create a jack-o'-lantern to celebrate. Its flickering light, a beacon of cheer, guiding us through the darkness near. Now it is time for a funny dialogue between pumpkin and a squash. What's a pumpkin's favorite type of music? Gourd core rock. Pumpkin: Hey there, squash. What's squashing? Squash: Not much, pumpkin. Just trying to stay out of the soup pot. You know how it is. Pumpkin: Oh, tell me about it. I've had a few close calls myself. But hey, at least we're not getting smashed into pie filling. Squash: Ha ha, true. Dodging those pie recipes is a real accomplishment in our line of work. Pumpkin: You got that right. So, what's new with you, squash? Squash: Not a whole lot. Just hanging out in the garden, soaking up the sun. You know, the usual squash stuff. Pumpkin: Sounds relaxing. I have been trying to get into shape lately. Trying to be a lean, mean jack-o'-lantern machine for Halloween, you know? Squash: Good for you, pumpkin. I admire your dedication. Me? I'm more of a laid-back, chill kind of squash. No need for all that hustle and bustle. Pumpkin: Fair enough, squash. Hey, you know what they say, different gourds for different hoards, right? Squash: Ha ha, you crack me up, pumpkin. You always know how to squash my worries and make me laugh. Pumpkin: Aw, shucks, squash. Just trying to keep it light and fluffy, like a good pumpkin pie. Squash: Well, you're doing a great job of it, pumpkin. Thanks for being such a great friend. Pumpkin: Anytime, squash. Anytime. Now, let's roll on out of here before we end up squashed for dinner. Beneath the moon, its vines entwine, a dance of nature, so divine. In whispered winds, its secrets hide, a treasure trove, where dreams abide. Stay happy and healthy. See you in my next nutritional episode. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.